Next, we want to look at how the repository can expose actions through MCP. Over here I have these two actions. This one is to publish organization and unpublish it. I also see that I haven't hide from MCP up from here. I will delete. So if you want to expose these methods, you go into the MCP allow actions and return true, or whatever permission you allow over here. And if I get the tool list now, at the very end you'll see tenant publish action tool and unpublish action tool. Okay, what's interesting here, it has a title which is quite intuitive, and it has some properties. If the action is for show, only on show, which instructs the API to use an ID while making this request, because in the action itself we are expecting an instance of the model, right? And we say only on show. If we wouldn't specify that, here we would receive a collection, but it will ask us to provide a list of resources which is required to make this collection. Let's keep it like only on show. Usually this is the way to go with the majority of actions. I think about actions like arms, so you can do operations with them. That's how you expose the actions. In order to make this schema even better, you use the rules method. Rules, and let's assume when we publish the organization we want to send a timestamp, since when. Okay, started at, and this should be required a date, and it should be after today, for example. Now this attribute is present over here, and the description says that it's a date attribute and must be after today, and it's marked as a required field. You can also change the description of the action and the title. You can use the description method. This will publish the organization with the provided start date. So the AI agent understands how to use it better, and the same with title. And to override the title, you can override the name property, publish organization. That's it. You can also use the same permissions you have in normal RESTify API, like can see, and do not allow for certain users to see this specific action straight away, and you see it's not displayed anymore. So everything you have in the JSON API you have in the MCP tooling. Thank you for watching.